we're gonna sing Sound of the Underground by Girls Aloud.
And I'm Betty.
And I'm Gertie. That and everyone has, by the way.
Okay.
Sorry if it pauses between the songs, like the song, look.
Sing the words.
It's because look, YouTube's really slow sometimes. Do you like our voice? No, okay. Disconnecting when the lights down low. Beats are pumping on the stereo. Neighbors banging on the bathroom wall. And it stops again
and again.
On the bathroom wall. You say crack the bass and I get some more.
And
it stops again and we're like, oh no. Yeah, when I try in the direction, mix up sign. Was running in the wrong direction. Got a feeling it's a mixed up sign. I can see it in my own reflection. Time to stop goes wrong again. Ready? What's running going on inside my mind? Don't know what's pushing me higher. It's the static from the floor below.
And it stops another time.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh no!
Don't know what's pushing me higher. Sorry.
It's just YouTube being.
Just hang on. I don't know why I did that then.
Patience.
Daisy.
Lisa.
I'm taller than you. Oh, come on now, Daisy. Pull up your shirt. It catches like a fire. It's a sound that's on up the underground. The beat of the drums goes round and around into the overflow.
And it stops another time, and I'm sick of it. It's doing my head in. Go where the girls get down in the sound of the radio. Out to the electric night. Where the bass line jumps to the back street lights.
And it's not playing again.
I'm so bored of this going round and round in dots on the screen. The back street lights, the beat goes round and around. Sound of the underground,
And it stops again and we're getting annoyed. And we're very sorry, we hope you enjoy this song. And it's like action running through my veins. And it stops at 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm getting annoyed.
Because I want to sing this song.
Through my veins. Put the bass line up into my brains. And it stops again and Daisy's getting annoyed. Go there.
Lucy's getting annoyed too.
Love you, Nathan's guys.
Love you, Zayn Malik.
Screws my mind until I lose control. And when the building rocks settle down my soul. I know this is really thinking about that.
And it stops another time, and I feel like kicking it lots.
And we are running in the wrong direction. Got a feeling it's a mixed up sign. I can see it in my own reflection. And it's going on.
Something's going on YouTube.
Something's going on inside my mind. nothing like this to do. It's nice, so I just got away.
Something's going on inside my mind. Don't know what is pushing me higher. It's the sound from the floor below,
And then it drops, and it stops again.
and I'm really, 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 really sick of it now.
Oh, oh!
Look how One Direction is on.
She's like fire.
It's the sound of the underground. Beat of the drum goes round and around.
I love the one.
I love One Direction.
I know, you know. Yeah, okay, this is just getting annoying now, but you can't start, keep on watching because it gets better. Hopefully.
Into the overflow, where the girls get down to the sound of the radio. Out to the electric night, and it stops again. Then we're getting feisty.
Where did that come from? I'm just gonna take all night.
Where the bass drum jumps to the back street light, the beat goes round and around, and stops another time. I'm gonna hit it on the ground.
Rhymes as well.
To the underground.
And the bassline jumps to the back street light.
I hope you're not getting bored with the sound of the underground.
And it's not our stop, we're just waiting for it to play. And if you like this video so far, subscribe to us. Thank you.
Don't know what's pushing me higher. It's the sound from the floor below, and then it stops enough of time when I'm gonna throw it into the underground below. Ooh yeah!
Oh look, I got a new hairstyle.
And then it drops and it catches like fire. It's a sound that, it's a sound that, it's a sound that, it's a sound that,
Sound of the when it stops and we're getting annoyed, I'm gonna throw this laptop on the floor.
I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Oh,
The
sound of the underground. Sorry for my rubbish dancing.
beat of the drum goes round and around.
Would you give? And it stops again, so
And
we're
I'm fed up now. Where the girls get down to the sound of the radio, out to the electric night, where the music stops it again and again.
And now it's at the night time.
And it looks very scary, yes it does. When the storm jumps to the back street lights, the beat goes round and around.
Sound of the underground.
Stops the music again.
Is it finished?
What are you doing?